William Slim. So page number 34. On this page number, first line. Now listen carefully. It's interesting to speculate. Speculate it means to guess. It's interesting to speculate how we have developed this particular practical, effective kind of courage. So here the writer is trying to tell us that how the British people developed their particular special and that was the effective kind of courage in them. I'm inclined. Inclined it means to have tendency, inclined to think that like so much else in the world. So here the poet William Slim, the writer William Slim is trying to tell us that particularly the British peoples are inclined, they were having the tendency which is more better than the other people, the other group, the other races, according to the writer. It's been a matter of geography and history. So, particularly, the people can be the courageous or non-courageous. That is depend on the geographical area and history of that area, according to the writer. We draw our racial stock almost wholly from Northern European. So the writer is trying to tell us that from the Northern European people, ancestor, they were having a full of stocks of racial courage, and they get courage because they were related to the Northern European people, and Northern European peoples are particularly very courageous people. One of the area of natural courage and our intellectual and cultural heritage almost entirely heritage it means property or something received from ancestors. Intellectual and cultural heritage almost entirely it means completely. Entirely from the Mediterranean it means the region surrounding the Mediterranean Sea. Our intellectual and cultural heritage almost entirely from the Mediterranean. So this courage, according to the writer, this courage, the British people having natural courage. Why? Because they are related to the Mediterranean place. It means the area which is surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea, and particularly those people who are belonging to that particular area, those people are very courageous. The great source of enlightenment Enlightened it means well informed. Another meaning is give great knowledge or understanding. Enlightened thought, the great source of enlightened thoughts. So, this is the source of full of information, well information, great understanding, knowledge, and this source is the Mediterranean area. At any rate, in all the great moments of our history, we have based our natural courage on the faith. So whatever happened, in every great moment of our history, it means the writer's history, British people's history, that is based on the natural courage of a faith. It means how much faith you have yourself, then you can get courage out from your heart, your body, from your inside. The belief that we worked or fought for the thing that matters. So what is your belief for a particular thing for which you are working, for which you are fighting? That is the matter. If that is true, if you are very intense about that, then automatically courage come out from your inside. For a decent life, decent it means a good life. For the freedom of the spirit, that's been our strength. So we work, we fight for a decent life, good life. We work, we fight for freedom of spirit, freedom of human being, and that is the main strength why we are courageous. That is the main source why we get, from where we get courage. And it remains our strength for the same courage which has seen us through the crisis. Crisis it means problems. Crisis of war is needed now to see us through the hardly less formidable difficulties. Formidable means hard to overcome. And it remained our strength. So according to the poet, the writer says, this is our strength for the same courage which has been us, which has seen us through the crisis of war is needed now to see us through the hardly less formidable difficulties of peace. So in the war, if there is any difficult situation, so that time this courage come out automatically from our inside, and that help us to overcome any difficult situation and to maintain peace in that area. How fortunate are we? And therefore the writer William Slim says that he is very fortunate, and particularly British people are very fortunate according to him, that we come of a race that whatever its fault has never failed for want of courage. And particularly the race of British people, for that the writer is feeling very great. Why? Because that race is having a lot of courage when they need courage. At the time when the situation is going out of the hand, it is looking that everything is going out of their hand, they are failing to do something. That time automatically the courage come out from their inside, and that is very good for us. For us it means for the British people. So in this way this lesson ends here. We are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.